Get ready to elevate our scrambled egg with a vibrant and healthy twist. This recipe features spinach, green peas, and halloumi cheese. Welcome back to my renewed channel. It is your dad at home with a fresh name. Let's dive into this new recipe. To start with, we need 4 eggs and a salt and pepper, and then we're going to beat our egg. This recipe is good for 2 person. Gonna beat the egg until it's foamy. And the next thing we need is a halloumi cheese, which is available in any supermarket. This is a bouncy and rubbery texture cheese from Cyprus, made up of cows and sheep milk. Then I have here a pack of spinach leaf or any green leafy vegetable that you can find in a supermarket. And to boost this healthy goodness, we're going to add some mixed seed and the spices. Just to spice up our mixed seed, I'm going to add some coriander or whatever spice seed that you can find, like fennel seed and mustard seed. We are going to roast these spices to be mixed into our pumpkin or sunflower seed. We're going to dry roast this one. Just don't overdo it because it will be bitter when overdone. We're going to crush the seeds, and then we're going to add these spices, these roasted spices, into our mixed seed mixture. We'll set this aside for later use. Now we are going to chop our halloumi cheese. As you can see, it's a little bit hard and bouncy. We're going to slice this one for easier frying, because we're going to chop this one into cubes later, but I decided to fry this one in a bigger chunk. Then we heat the pan, and we're going to fry our halloumi. As you can see, it resembles tofu, but this one is harder and easy to handle. Again, brown all the side, and then cool it down a bit, and then we're going to cube our halloumi. And now we're gonna need a bunch of spring onion. We're going to chop this one, separating the white part and the green part. For the white part, we're going to cook this one first, and the green part will be cooked later. So we're going to separate the white and the green for a moment. As you can see here, the white and the green are separated. Add a little bit more oil on the same pan that we have used, and then we're going to fry this white part of the spring onion. After maybe about 2 minutes, until it's wilted, we are going to add our leafy green. In this case, our spinach, and we're going to mix this one, as you can see, until it's wilted. And then grab some a cup of more or less frozen green peas, and then we're gonna mix this one as well. Okay, just add a bit of black pepper and a salt. Just be careful not to put too much salt in our vegetable. And then after that, we're going to keep this aside. We're gonna go for a walk in the park. Well, using the same pan, we need a little bit of butter, and when it's melted, spread all over the pan. And then we're going to put our egg. As the side of the egg set or cooked, just push it in the middle until all the eggs are scrambled. Creamy scrambled egg, just like that. And then we're going to add our fried halloumi cheese, cube halloumi cheese, and then mix it. It's time to add vegetable into the scrambled eggs. Don't forget to mix seeds you prepared earlier. Sprinkle them on top for a nutritious boost. And now your scrambled egg with halloumi and green leafy vegetables are ready to serve. I hope you enjoy every bite of this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future healthy pescatarian recipe.